Hi everyone, happy Tuesday. Today I'm in my craft room because I want to show you what I've gotten done so far. Now I've been working in here for like 6 days to get this done and it's been a long 6 days. I did not think that it would take this long. I did take a little break on Saturday from the craft room because I had to get the yard done. It was really looking like a jungle. I have to tell you, the front yard was okay, but the backyard, for some reason, it grows faster. I don't know why. But you know, Bailey, my little Chihuahua Terrier mixed dog, he doesn't have, his legs are only like about that long. And when he would be back there, you couldn't even see his legs. I said, I got to get this mowed. Because Sunday, it was going to rain, and it did. It started raining in the afternoon. It rained all through the night. Monday morning, it was still raining. Monday, it turned to snow. And kind of off and on. Monday was a really weird day here. It was like, you get rain, you get snow, it would clear up, it'd start raining again, and then it starts sleeting, and then it would stop, and it was just crazy. Today, it's a little cloudy out, and no snow, of course. It did all melt. Yeah, yesterday it didn't really stick, which is good. That's the one good thing about getting the May snowstorms here that we get. They do not hang around at all. So, like I said, it took me a few days to get this done, and I'm not 100% done. I still have a few more things to do, like the closet. I have it organized, so I'm not going to show you that today because it's not painted and it's not fully organized. So maybe next week I'm going to pull everything out and get it painted and get everything put back in place exactly where I want it. I still want to hang some pictures in here possibly and some curtains on the big window over here to the right of me. So I'm also thinking about using those black and white buffalo check panels that were at my old house in the breakfast nook because I still have two panels left. I only needed two for my sliding glass door down there. So I think I'm going to see if they work, and that's what I'm going to hang in here. And you can probably see this yellow. It didn't turn out exactly. It does not look like the paint yet. It does not. It's a lot brighter, but that's okay. You know, everything in here, all the furniture, is everything I've already had before except for the bookcases here. And there are two pieces of furniture that I got to paint white. Yeah, I was going to paint them white anyway at the old house, but I never did. So yeah, I'm going to be painting more furniture. I think they're going to look better white in here. And like I said, the bookcases are the only thing that is new. So let's go ahead and take a little tour of what I've got done in this room so far. All right, so I'm standing in the doorway to come in. And I know it might be a little dark in here. It is cloudy out, and the ceiling fan light does not really do anything. So I got Bailey in here with me. What you doing, Bailey? Yeah, he wants to come lay in here, so I brought his little doggy bed in. So I just have this little old table here with my chair. I need to redo the chair. It's seen better days. I've had it a long, long time. And I just want to have my computer over here in case I need to look up a few things, you know, to get a few ideas or whatever. And I have this thing here with all my paints, all my craft paints here. Now, these bookcases, you know, they turned out really well. I think I have about 3 inches on each side, so I like how that came out. I got these at a place called American Furniture Warehouse here locally. I saw them online, and I thought they would work well. I went to go look at them, and I did like the way they look, so I ordered them, had them delivered. And you know what? I got these for free. And the way I got them for free is that I had some cash rewards on my credit card. And I actually had $5 more on my cash rewards than what these cost. So that turned out well. Now over here, I just put some dowel rods in. I had to just take my drill, and I don't know if you can see down in here. I had to make it a little bit bigger, and then I just stuck my dowel rods in here for my ribbons. And I have a few more dowel rods if I want to do any more. I just went ahead and put this extra ribbon items down here like that. You know, I kind of like to decorate a little bit in my room because I like to have it pretty to look at, and it's still functional. I do use all this stuff. A lot of this I like to use for wreaths mainly. So I just have it staying out like this. And then I have some bins with a few things in it. There. Okay, so let's go over to here. Now, this is a piece of furniture that I had in my old study at our old house. And this was going to go white. I just never did get to do it. I think it was a much prettier white. I got it at the Habitat for Humanity Restore. And of course, this is my corner shelf that I had in my dining room. And this is really old. This was my great aunt's. And it's seen better days. It's gotten knocked over before with a move and they kind of tore it up. So the two pieces are not together anymore, the top and the bottom. And I was going to paint them white at our last house, but I just never got around to it. And the items that I have on here are just things that I need to work on. You might notice this bunny here. This is one of my Pier 1 bunnies that I just love, love, love. And as you can see, he got broken in the move. And my husband goes, oh, just let me glue him. I said, I don't think you're going to have all the pieces because there's a lot of what I call dust in there that were really, really teeny tiny. And I'm like, I don't think so. But as you can see, big piece, not there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try painting it. And I think I'm going to put like a patch of a cute springy looking material and just glue it over the hole. Then of course this little bunny, he had his ear. I had about 3 or 4 bunnies that got broke. I don't know, it was just all bunnies. It was so weird. And like I said, this is all projects that I'm going to be working with and painting here soon. Okay, and over here, this is a piece that I had in my craft room at our last home. And I just set these dress form things on here. I don't know if I'm going to keep them there or not. And this little armoire, it was in our master bedroom at the old house. And I just have my TV up there so I can watch some TV. And this is all that I got done. Let's kind of pan around here. Like I said, I think these will look better when I paint them white. And of course, once I get the blinds and the curtains in. I have to say, I really, really love the size of this room. Oh, and then this is just a little desk that I had in the master bedroom at our old house. I had it here first, and I thought, well, I really don't want it in there anymore because I get to take over the study downstairs. My husband decided to use a bedroom up here. So, so this is just a table to sit at and do some painting on while I watch TV. So I think, and I still got plenty of room, as you can see. Lots of room. So I was just going to use that chair over there when I need to. I hope everybody enjoyed the tour of my craft room. Now, like I said, once I get the closet all done, get it painted, all organized, get the doors painted, the blinds put up, and of course the curtain panels and a few things on the wall, I will do another video so you can see it completely done. Now, I was going to say that the reason I picked bookcases, you know, the first idea I had was getting kitchen cabinets, just like from Lowe's or Home Depot, that they already had on hand. Install them. Of course, you have to have a countertop put in, and everything is attached to the walls. So then I thought, well, that might be a little expensive. And then I thought, well, what about those closet organization systems like I did in my master bedroom closet? Because I've seen those in craft rooms before too. And I thought, well, those really need to be attached to the walls too. They're not as permanent as me putting up, you know, kitchen cabinet type items, but it would still be something that I would, if we move, I shouldn't even say if, when we move, because I know it will probably happen, not anytime soon, but I kind of wanted to take it with me, and I didn't want to have anything on the walls that I had to patch, big holes or anything. So that's why I decided to get the bookcases. And I think they were the best idea anyway for that. Oh, I did want to say that the first day I started on the craft room was last Tuesday. And, you know, I didn't do any video of what it looked like before because basically it was just full of boxes and some of this furniture. And It was just beige walls. So nothing really to look at. So Tuesday I had to get everything done because the bookcases were being delivered on Wednesday. So I had to take everything out, put it over in the loft area, which is just outside the doorway down the hall a little bit, stash everything in there. And I had to do 2 coats on the walls, and I did touch up the trim, did all the trim. Of course, I didn't do the doors. And I got that all done in one day. I'm kind of shocked that I did. I just pushed myself because, you know, like I said, the bookcases were coming the next day. But it was kind of a strange day with the weather. That day it was cloudy, started out cloudy, and when I started getting my first coat on, I noticed it was lightly raining out. So I opened up the window because I just love the smell of rain. And then about, I don't know, it might have been about 10, 15 minutes after I did that, all of a sudden there was this bright flash of lightning, and I could hear the crackle of it, so I had to be really close. And then the loudest boom of thunder that I've ever heard. And I was like, what the? Because it wasn't even like black clouds or anything, just light gray clouds. I'm like, my goodness. And then I go, the dogs are going to be in here any minute. Actually, any second. Because they were just in the master bedroom laying in their bed sleeping while I was in here painting. And yeah, they ran in really quick. And poor Bailey. He was more traumatized than Colby was. Bailey's my little Chihuahua Terrier mix. He was just shaking so bad. They hate thunder and they hate fireworks. And then that was it. There was no more lightning or thunder the whole day. I couldn't believe it. It was just the oddest thing. So the next day after they delivered it, this is when I started to unpack all the boxes and get the organization done. And I thought, well, maybe I could do a video on that. But then I thought, well, the way I'm going to do it, it's not any fabulous way. I just kind of like bring in about 6 boxes. I unpack them. Everything's spread out all over the floor. And then I just kind of make little piles and then put them in the bins or on the shelf where I want them. And actually, Wednesday was the first day I started doing the organization, and it took me a long time just to get all those ribbons put up over there. That took a good chunk of the day. Didn't realize how many ribbons I had. And then trying to get the dowel rods to be perfectly in there. They didn't keep falling out, and because I cut one a little bit too short because I had my holes drilled just a little bit too deep on the sides. So I had to refigure a few things on that. So it did take quite a while to do that, but I am so glad that it's done and I can get some crafting done in here. So that is going to do it for the video today, and I don't think I'm going to have anything tomorrow. I'm going to try to do a few more videos, possibly things downstairs. I still got so much more stuff to do before I can come up here and start crafting full time. That's what I want to do. So maybe Thursday and Friday might be able to have a video for you guys. So I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.